It's the Texas weather discussion video for Wednesday, the 11th of October. After dealing with another morning of chilly temperatures, chilly weather, we should warm back into the 70s with sun back in full force today. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view across the CONUS region. After that dissipating trough comes through the Midwest, we should build back another ridge of high pressure that should help aid in bringing temperatures up for Friday and throughout this weekend. But temperatures for now, as of this morning, Arlington 49, DFW 54, and take a look at all the 40s out in the board. Wow. You take a look, you say breath fresh of fall, it says see this. We definitely haven't seen these temperatures in a while now. Cool, refreshing weather this morning. But taking a look across the nation, actually in the southeast, they're in the 70s for lows in some spots. They're in the 70s and 70, 75 in some spots. But look at that temperature contrast. Wow. And going up towards Nebraska and North Dakota and some of those areas, they're even in the 30s. And they're even in the 30s in some spots. And they have freeze advisories, watches, and warnings in that same generalized location in the central part of the U.S. Other than that, things are pretty quiet across the nation. No organized severe weather is expected today across the nation today, but take a look on day 4, which is Saturday. We have a risk for severe weather for parts of the Midwest, including Kansas, Illinois, Missouri, Iowa, and some parts of Nebraska, where they may have to be dealing with an isolated damaging wind and hail threat. But more details are soon to come there. Average rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday of next week, and not much. This is suggesting about a tenth of an inch, if any, for parts of North Texas. And again, that's going to come with anything that we get with the cold front coming through on Sunday. And out in the tropics, the Atlantic is basically quiet as a mouse, other than one lone tropical storm, which is Tropical Storm Ophelia, which is expected to become a hurricane sometime later this week, and actually try to go to the European area, but this should have no threat to any U.S. land at all. So let's go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. We have another trough trying to develop in the northeast, and down here we have ridging trying to develop here. But again, I think we should still stay in the mid 70s for now. The warm up won't happen until tomorrow, and in fact, here's tomorrow. We should trend to the low 80s, and after that, we should trend even hotter in the low 90s. About temperatures on Friday should be about 87 to about 90 degrees, which should be sort of refreshing, but not really after seeing temperatures basically in the upper 60s for highs yesterday. That should have a very nice contrast right there. But here's the weekend. Not much really changing for the weekend. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. As evidence is starting to increase that a cold front or a surface front makes its way through our area and could bring some isolated showers and storms along its way, as well as cooler temperatures. Highs are only expected to be in the upper 80s for Sunday. And here's Monday of next week. Again, along a cold front, we have a cooler air mass. Again, with temperatures only reaching towards the mid 70s. Same thing on Tuesday, and a week from today, Wednesday the 18th. We have a trough. We have troughs trying to develop in the northwest. Heights are about where they should be, and as a result, things are pretty quiet. Highs in the low 80s. This is the end of the forecast period. On Friday, the 20th of October, we have troughing in the Central Plains and the mountainous regions, and we still have a flat ridge. And down here, things look pretty quiet and dry. Temperatures for the next 10 days. Basically the next 10 days. we after today we should warm up drastically to above average temperatures, but then that cold front comes through by Sunday, and we should after that we should have fairly consistent weather for the rest of this week. For the rest of this week and next week. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have emergency blog the next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day, and Godspeed.